The factory floor is changing. Welcome to the age of the smart factory. Smart factories are powered by data. They use sensors, software, and artificial intelligence to optimize every aspect of production. Imagine a world where machines talk to each other, anticipating problems before they arise. A world where production lines adapt in real time to meet changing demands. This is the promise of Industry 4.0. Cybercriminals are no longer just targeting our computers and smartphones. They're setting their sights on critical infrastructure, and smart factories are prime targets. A single successful attack can bring production to a grinding halt, costing millions in lost revenue and reputational damage. Artificial intelligence, the same technology driving the smart factory revolution, can also be our shield against cyber attacks. For years, operational and information technology existed in separate silos. OT focused on machinery, IT on data and networks. The rise of smart factories blurred these lines. Today, OT and IT systems are converging. This opens new avenues for cyber attacks. Machine learning creates proactive security. This integration forms a robust cybersecurity framework. Imagine your factory floor as a city instead of streets and buildings. You have interconnected machines and systems. Network segmentation is crucial. It's like dividing the city into districts, each isolated from the others by firewalls and security gateways. AI enhances segmentation by dynamically adjusting access controls based on real-time threat intelligence. By isolating critical systems and controlling data flow, AI-powered segmentation prevents attackers from easily moving laterally within the network. This mitigates the potential damage of a breach. In the world of OT and IT, different devices speak different languages or protocols. Protocol translation acts as a universal translator, allowing disparate systems to understand each other. This is essential for data exchange and seamless operation in a smart factory. However, this translation process can also introduce security vulnerabilities. AI-powered protocol gateways can analyze network traffic in real time, identifying and blocking suspicious activity. They act as vigilant interpreters, ensuring that only legitimate communication takes place between OT and IT systems. This ensures secure and efficient operations. Tesla, in the electric vehicle giant, is renowned for its innovative manufacturing. Their gigafactories are marvels of automation, pushing smart manufacturing boundaries. These factories rely on data exchange with robots and humans working together. Ensuring security of the interconnected factory floor became paramount. Tesla needed a robust cybersecurity strategy to match their growth. Their solution leveraging AI to fortify OT-IT integration. Tesla's manufacturing process is a symphony of interconnected systems. Robots weld car bodies, automated guided vehicles transport parts, and sensors monitor every step of the production line. This interconnectedness also created a larger attack surface. Traditional security measures were insufficient to address the dynamic nature of these threats. Tesla needed a solution that could provide real-time visibility into their OT and IT environments, detect anomalies and respond to threats swiftly and effectively. They found their answer in the intelligence of AI. This approach ensured scalability and robust security. Tesla implemented a multi-layered approach to secure its smart factories, with AI at the heart of its strategy. AI-powered systems monitor network traffic for suspicious activities. AI aggregates and analyzes data from various sources, providing a comprehensive view of security posture. AI can correlate events, identify threats, and automate incident response. Tesla embraced AI-driven predictive maintenance. This proactive approach addressed vulnerabilities. Tesla's investment in AI-powered OT-IT integration paid off. They reduced downtime from cyber incidents, resulting in significant operational savings. The security of a smart factory isn't just about protecting what's inside its walls. It extends beyond the factory floor, encompassing the entire supply chain. Today's supply chains are complex, often involving a global network of suppliers, vendors, and logistics providers. Each point of interaction represents a potential entry point for cyber criminals. A single compromised component can have cascading consequences. Securing the supply chain is a business imperative. AI provides the intelligence and agility needed to identify and mitigate risks across the extended network of partners and suppliers. Not all vendors are created equal when it comes to cybersecurity. Some have robust security postures, while others may be lax in their practices. This is where vendor assessment becomes critical. AI streamlines and strengthens this process by automating data collection and analysis. AI algorithms can scan through vendor websites, public records, and even dark web forums to assess their security posture. This AI-driven approach to vendor assessment allows manufacturers to make informed decisions about who they do business with. Imagine a tamper-proof, transparent digital record-keeping system accessible in real time. That's the promise of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger recording transactions across a network. Each transaction is cryptographically secured and linked, creating an immutable record. In a smart factory, blockchain tracks components from origin to factory floor. This transparency prevents counterfeit parts in the supply chain. Smart factories thrive on data. The Internet of Things enables this data-driven approach with sensors and devices. These devices provide constant information, but increased connectivity has risks. Each device is a potential entry point for cyber criminals. Traditional security measures are inadequate. AI-powered protection offers adaptive security. This approach protects against evolving threats. Edge security fortifies the front lines, securing devices themselves rather than relying solely on network defenses. IoT devices are often in remote, insecure locations. AI enables real-time threat detection and response. It analyzes device behavior, identifies anomalies, and isolates compromised devices. This minimizes breach impact, preventing attackers from gaining a foothold. Think of it as a security guard at each device. Device authentication is a critical aspect of IoT security, ensuring that only authorized devices can connect to the network and access sensitive data. AI enhances device authentication by moving beyond static credentials like passwords. AI-powered authentication systems can use behavioral biometrics to verify a device's identity continuously. This continuous authentication process makes it extremely difficult for attackers to spoof or hijack devices. Michigan State University took on the challenge of bridging the gap between theoretical cybersecurity frameworks and real-world application in smart factories. Their research team developed practical security solutions tailored to the unique needs of modern production environments. MSU's approach focused on creating a flexible and adaptable framework for specific industry verticals and manufacturing processes. Their research aimed to empower manufacturers of all sizes to implement effective security measures. MSU's research was grounded in real-world data and collaboration with industry partners. Their findings provided a roadmap for manufacturers seeking to enhance their security posture. MSU's research emphasized a phased approach to implementing security measures. They advocated for a comprehensive assessment as the first crucial step. This involved identifying critical assets and mapping data flows. MSU proposed a risk-based approach, prioritizing measures based on impact. They showcased how AI could enhance existing systems, emphasizing ongoing monitoring and adaptation, leveraging AI for threat intelligence and analysis, proactively identifying and mitigating emerging risks. Section 3. Success Measured Quantifiable Results and Best Practices. MSU's research didn't stop at theory. They implemented solutions in real-world environments, tracking results. This data-driven approach quantified effectiveness and identified best practices. Key findings included reduced incident response times through AI integration, automating threat detection, minimized downtime and damage. AI also reduced the workload on security teams, automating routine tasks, freed analysts for strategic initiatives. This improved efficiency and addressed the cybersecurity skills gap. MSU distilled best practices for AI-driven security in smart factories. Start with clear security goals, select the right AI tools, ensure data quality, and foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Section 1. AI, the guardian of the smart factory. Traditional security measures are no longer enough for smart factories. The interconnected nature of these factories demands a dynamic and intelligent security approach. This is where artificial intelligence emerges as the guardian. AI analyzes data, detects anomalies, and adapts to threats. It's like a digital immune system neutralizing threats. From securing OT and IT systems to safeguarding the supply chain and protecting IoT devices, AI provides the intelligence and agility needed. But AI is not a silver bullet. It's a powerful tool that enhances security. The key is strategic implementation and fostering cybersecurity awareness. Section 2. Your next steps towards a secure and resilient smart factory. The journey towards a secure and resilient smart factory begins with a single step. But in the complex world of cybersecurity, knowing where to start can be daunting. Here are 4 actionable steps you can take today. 1. Conduct a thorough assessment of your OT and IT systems. Identify critical assets and potential vulnerabilities. 2. Map out your entire supply chain. Assess security postures of all partners. 3. Implement robust security measures for IoT devices. Leverage AI to enhance visibility and automate threat detection. 4. Continuously monitor your security infrastructure. Embrace AI-driven threat intelligence. The threat to smart factories is real and growing. With the right approach, you can fortify your defenses and ensure success. The future of manufacturing is smart and secure.